Hey yo, what's poppin', you guys? It's your man Rookie David, and I'm back at it again. So today we're initially gonna get super creative, guys. Yo, so one thing I figured out is that you can do sublimation business cards. So right now we're gonna jump into it. Before I even start, so sublimation is the ink that is embedded into products, right? So this right here is a game changer for sublimation. This is what we are initially going to do, is that I purchased like 100 sublimation metal business cards, and they actually really sound like metal, right? It's a game changer, is because not only that you're going to have to find somebody on the web that can, you know, create your stickers, your business cards, and etc. things. This is what I really wanted to opt into, not only just to do the business cards, the essentials, the, you know, the neck labels, the neck tags, none of, like, not just all that, you know. There's things in particular I wanted to do, but this is what I figured out, that you can actually do the sublimation business cards. So we're initially going to go into creative mode and do a template, a mock-up, and then we're going to initially go to the inventory room, get them printed off, and then we're going to sublimate it on the heat press. So enough talking, man. Let's get right into it. Before we jump into it, make sure you guys subscribe and share this video right below. Let's get it, guys. Alright, so I already have a design mock-up I already did, so I wanted to show you guys before I start to get into it. Look at these sheets right here, sublimation business cards, metal cards, right? So I'm initially waiting for the heat press to heat up, and once it gets to a certain temperature, we're gonna throw it on the press and we're gonna get it, right? Until then, this is cold and peel, so that means we have to wait for about a minute or so until we put these business cards up. Let me show you real quick. Yo, so I got these business cards. Let me show you. Let me just pull out just one. So these right here, as you can see, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's got like a gloss feel to it, gloss texture. Let me move back. You see like that epoxy on there, right? It's the same side, but you hear that? They're metal. So these are PVC metal business cards, and this is what we're initially gonna sublimate on. So like I said, we're gonna get into it because these are gonna turn out beautiful. I know it, because I already printed some off just to see and sample just a few, but I wanted to initially go through it with you guys to show you what the sublimation Epson F570 can do. So let's get it, guys. We're gonna get right to it till the press comes on. We're gonna get it. Let's get it. It is 400 temperature Celsius with 50 seconds. You can do it from anywhere from 40 to 60 seconds. I did it in between 50, which is good. It could potentially be 60, but I mean 50, but it could potentially be 60 as well. So kind of not trying to overpressure it and not trying to underpressure it. So we're gonna put it together. So let's get it, guys. So one thing that you have to do, this is butcher paper, you guys. Like I said in the last video, this is where you can initially find it. This is 18 by 2100. See that? But that's what this butcher paper is. So what you do is just take out just a small little piece and just put it on there. Every single time that you use sublimation for under and over, so the ink doesn't get in whatever that you're sublimating. Put another one on the bottom is because the ink doesn't go through and it can initially just hit this paper, and you put one on top, so you double protection. So let's get it, guys. Let's hit the process. Let's get it. Alright, you guys, I just lifted up the hood of this boy. So we're gonna take this butcher paper away. See, this is what I'm saying. For the top, you see the imprint on that one. Kind of get rid of it. All right, so this right here, like I said before, this is a coat and peel, cool and peel. So it is super hot, and we're gonna take it off the press as we do it. So like I said, this is a cold and cool peel. So right now, just waiting for like just a minute so we could just peel everything off, so that ink can just sit in the material, right? So I'm kind of looking at a few of them. I might just need to put a little bit more tape on the side, but until then, we're gonna just take one off, and if we gotta redo it, that's what we're gonna do. So just wait a few seconds, and then we're gonna get it. So until then, so I think it's done. Obviously, it's been like a minute. So we're gonna go ahead and just peel off the tape. Let's get it. So what I'm gonna initially do is just put a little bit more tape on here. As you can see, I was kind of peekabooing, keep peeking through and seeing what A lot of them, the ink didn't really sit in, so I might have to put a little bit more tape on the side, and then we're gonna just do it for another, 10-15 seconds or something like that. So let's get it, guys. Just put it in for about, I'll say about 12 seconds. All right, so let's get it, guys. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and give it another try. I put it on the heat press for 12 seconds. So let me go ahead and sneak again, and then let's try it again. So let's get it. So they look a little better. We're gonna go ahead and start flipping them all the way, and then whatever that the ink is not sitting in with, we're gonna go ahead and just put it back on there, and then put a little bit more pressure on there, and then boom, there you go. So let's get it, guys. Alright, you guys, so all of them pretty much came out. I say 95% of them came out good. It's just only a few that I have to just put back on the press, but these are the ones that really came out clear and great. Look at this, guys. It's kind of bent a little bit, but you can see the reflection, the glare of this. So you guys, look how this came out, and it's got the QR code on there, right, you guys? So right now has nothing in the back, but it has something in the front. Is because that's how I always did business, just on one side, so they can stay focused on that one side, right? So it's got the QR code on the HOD. In case they didn't know what this is, they can always scan it right there to see and go to all the links of what I have of YouTube videos, all of my social medias, websites, and all that stuff. So guys, you gotta be very creative on things that you want to do. So these are beautiful. They came out great. It's got the glossy epoxy feel for it, and they're metal too as well. So you got to kind of be careful when you're actually really doing these, because some of them they will bend. But for the rest of these, they came out great. I'm just going to be taking off the tape right here off it, which is no biggie, but they all came out, man, they all came out great. So We're gonna take out a bunch of the tape, and you know that's it right there. So I hope you guys like this video of the Sublimation business cards. You guys, if you guys have any questions, man, make sure you guys comment below. You guys know how to do it. Like this video, subscribe. This is House of Dreamers, you guys. So keep your vision alive, be super creative, and just one thing that I want to tell you guys, whatever it is that you're initially trying to go into, make sure you guys research on the things that you want to do, whether sublimation, embroidery, DTG, DTF, if it comes to white toners, whatever the case is, guys, man, do your research and double your blessings, right? So we want to kind of get into all this stuff and go super dope, you know, go super creative on it, because all this stuff is super dope and we love doing this stuff. And for all my business owners, all my entrepreneurs, all you guys out there that has a vision, keep your vision alive. This is a mental brand. This is for you guys, and you are the House of Dreamers. It's your man Ricky David signing out. Make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe, notification, hit that notification bell as well, so you can get all these videos as well. See you on the next video, guys. God bless you all. House of Dreamers, your man Ricky David signing out. Keep your vision alive. God bless.